My bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye. But the dawn of breaking gets early morn. The taxi's waiting is going on. Already I'm so lonesome I could die. Don't you experience my phone? Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. I'm leaving on that plane, don't know where. I'll be back again, oh, if I let you go. There's so many times I've let you go. So many times I've been alone. I tell you now, they don't mean a thing. Every place I go, I think of you. Every song I sing, I sing for you. When I come back, I'll think you're ready. Don't experience my phone. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. I'm living on a steady lane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh baby, I hate to have to go. Now the time has come to leave you so. One more time, let me kiss you goodbye. Then throw your eyes like me on my way. Dream about the days to come when I won't have to live alone. All the times I won't have to say goodbye.